Hey there, I just want to show you another automation that I'm building out for training an AI voice clone on my YouTube video transcripts. This I've built out in make.com. It's really pretty simple and straightforward to set up. If you want the template, you can join my free Skool community, link in the description below. But essentially what this is doing is it's searching Google Sheets for links, which are my YouTube videos links that I want to get transcripts for. So over here, I've got all of the YouTube links and the titles over here. And this is downloading the transcripts and putting them into a custom AI assistant in ChatGPT. So over here, it's putting them into a vector store, and this is my knowledge base that I'm going to train the voice clone on. So using ElevenLabs. So it's really powerful. And then eventually what this is going to be able to do is automatically respond to WhatsApp messages using my own voice clone trained on my knowledge base. So this is super helpful if you're getting a lot of messages. Maybe you have a lot of followers on Facebook and you don't want to sit there and respond to everybody yourself. You can create a voice clone and respond automatically, which is super cool. Again, if you want this template, it's in my free Skool community. And so what that's doing is it's just getting all of the video links and it's putting them into a Dumpling AI module, which is able to extract the YouTube transcripts from all of the links. Very cool. So I'm just passing in all of the links right here. And I've turned off timestamps because we don't really need them. I just need the raw text to train the AI assistant, which I'm still setting up. And from there, it's just simply creating a file in Google Drive. I'm passing in the title of the particular YouTube video here. So that's what it's doing. And then it's just inputting the transcript for the file content. Very simple. And then it's downloading that file right here. So I'm just passing in the file ID right here from the file that I've already created. And that's all there is to it for that step. And then it's actually uploading it into ChatGPT as an assistant. So if I come back over here, you can see I've already got an assistant set up, which is going to be a custom assistant with instructions. And then from here, I can add all of the files. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm creating the storage over here, and it's going to upload all of the files into this vector store right here. And that's going to be the trained data from my YouTube videos, right? So that's what it's doing here. And then purpose assistant right there. And it's adding all of the files to the vector store right here under the Micah Broad knowledge, right? And passing in the file IDs. So now I'm simply going to run this. I'm going to click on run once here. And it's just going to go through all of the video links, create the files, download the files, upload the files to ChatGPT. And we'll see if this works. So it's now gotten the transcript. It's uploading it to Google Drive. It's downloading it. Now it's uploading it to ChatGPT and putting it into the vector store. So it's already done one, and now it's going on to the next one. And it's just going to loop until it's finished. So this is just the first step. And eventually I'll have an AI voice clone, which I'm going to build out in ElevenLabs, which is over here. So this is how you can create voice clones. And essentially what you have to do is you can create a voice right here. I will need to actually upgrade to the paid plan in order to make it sound like me. But basically I just have to upload an audio file from one of my YouTube videos, which is about 30 minutes long. And then it can train my voice, right? So it will sound exactly like me, which is awesome. And so right now it's just getting all the transcripts. And if we come over here, we should see that it's uploading them into my assistant. So if we come over here, here it is. So it's uploading all of the files and it's giving them names. And this is going to be the data that it's trained on for me. That's my knowledge base, just coming straight from my YouTube channel, right? So that's what it's doing. It's just uploading all of them. And once it's done, I can train the assistant and create the voice and ultimately just build out the voice clone. So If anyone's interested in this, let me know. You can join my free Skool community, link down below, and look forward to seeing you in there. Take care. Stay safe. Peace.